Google just confirmed that the Pixel Fold is on its way. In a tweet from the Google Pixel account, the phone maker shows off an image of a folding phone. May the fold be with you. The tweet reads in a shout out to Star Wars Day, which is celebrated on May 4. The same message was posted on Instagram. Leaving no room for misinterpretation, the tweet is even hashtagged with the words Pixel Fold. There's a May 10 hashtag as well. Google heads probably don't need a calendar to grasp the significance of the date. May 10 also marks the day of Google I/O 2023, the company's annual developer conference. So, Google is essentially confirming that we are going to see its first folding phone live and in person at Google I/O. The phone depicted in the Google tweet looks a lot like renders of the Pixel Fold that have leaked prior to today. We see a phone with an outer display that opens up to reveal a much larger screen, a design that looks an awful lot like the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Rumors have suggested that the Google is coming up with a thinner version of the device for better portability. Based on leaked specs, the Pixel Fold expected to feature a 5.8-inch cover display, with the phone unfolding to show off a 7.6-inch main screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. We had imagined the Pixel Fold would run on a Tensor G2, the same chipset that powers Google's Pixel 7 flagship devices and that also appears headed to the Pixel 7a, which many expect to join the Pixel Fold on stage at I/O. Rumored camera specs include a 48 megapixel main sensor augmented by a pair of 10.8 megapixel lenses for ultra-wide and telephoto. There's expected to be a 9.5 megapixel selfie lens on the outside of the phone with an 8 megapixel camera above the inner display. With a launch date now set, the biggest remaining question is how much the Pixel Fold will cost. Early rumors suggested that the Google might try to undercut the other foldable phones out there, but more recently we have heard that Google plans to charge $1,800, the same cost as the Galaxy Z Fold 4. That's it for today. See you in the next one.